Hi, I'm Arzu Uzgaonkar and today I'm going to be talking about my IGCSE experience with a focus on global perspectives. IGCSE is an extremely challenging and rigorous course that constantly kept me on my toes, but taking it is by far one of the best decisions I've made, as it helped me learn information, understand it, apply it to various contexts, and helped me evaluate and analyze it. I think Global Perspectives as a course within IGCSE was extremely integral and essential to my understanding and my application of various concepts. Overall, IGCSE and the Global Perspectives course in particular have helped me learn several things. They've helped me identify how to question and evaluate my knowledge base to make sure that it's reliable and accurate, and have helped me explore various aspects of the course using issues that I am genuinely interested in, such as body image or menstrual stigmas. And I think the learnings I've had through IGCSE and Global Perspectives have really come in helpful in the IB and in several other spheres like MUN as well. I highly encourage everybody to take IGCSE and the Global Perspectives course, as it was extremely beneficial for me.
Hi, my name is Shruti Daga, and during the IGCSE course, one of my favorite subjects was foreign language. I think that through the language components of the IGCSE course, I've really been able to develop and enhance my communication as well as my language skills.
I think one really crucial and unique aspect of the IGCSE program is that it focuses on developing and strengthening core skills throughout its duration that will play a really important role in the IB and even further in the future. A large aspect of IGCSE learning stems from courseworks that are offered in a number of subjects. Courseworks are essentially research and skill-based projects that you're informed about well in advance and given a fair amount of time to complete. It is these courseworks that really helped introduce me to research skills, collation skills, citation skills, and the art of selecting only the most relevant information that my topic required, all crucial areas for learning in the future. Through social studies in IGCSE, I was really able to develop an awareness of the world around and in front of me, and the implications of our actions on the different audiences we interact with. A key concept that really stood out through this field was that of perspective, and the idea that different people will look at the same piece of information with another mindset that you may not have thought of.
My name is Shiv Kampani, and I studied physics, chemistry, and biology as part of the IGCSE curriculum. In each of these sciences, my teachers explained theoretical concepts to me in detail in the classroom and also gave me the opportunity to implement these theoretical concepts in practical applications in the school's laboratories. Every week, we used to have at least one class in the lab, during which my teachers helped me design and conduct my own experiments. Through these experiments, I learned how to make hypotheses and predictions, how to categorize the observations I made into qualitative and quantitative observations, how to determine potential sources of error in these experiments, and how to suggest appropriate rectifications to these experimental procedures. Through data analysis, I learned how to apply the concepts and formulae learnt in class to the data I had collected. Another important skill I learned in IGCSE Sciences is how to plot and interpret graphs and how to draw regression lines of best fit. In conclusion, through the IGCSE Science classes, I have learned how to conduct experiments to implement the concepts learnt in class, as well as how to analyze and evaluate the results of these experiments.
So one thing that really stood out to me about IGCSE Maths was its consistent emphasis on mathematical method. So for example, paper 6 of International Mathematics comprises of investigations and modeling. And I think that paper was really unique in the sense that, unlike a regular paper, there was minimal content to learn, and it was solely based on testing mathematical skills. So although there was a focus on skills throughout IGCSE Maths, the syllabus itself was very vast, and by the end of year 10 we were already being introduced to calculus. So besides the content and the skills we learned, one thing that was extremely beneficial for me was learning how to use the GDC, or the graphic display calculator. So knowing how to operate the GDC well, I believe is crucial for both IB Maths as well as for almost any other exam in which math is required. And so I feel using it in IGCSE Math gave me a lot of confidence, especially while coming into the IB.
Hi, my name is Yash Fadia and my name is Anirudh Fadia. So both of us took IGCSE PE for our board exams this year, and this subject was one roller coaster ride that we'll never forget. It comprised of a beautiful mix of the sports we all loved and some amazing content that really explored the sports we loved in a much more fruitful fashion. This subject pushed us to new levels of physical, social, and mental well-being. It also helped us to push our bodies past the breaking points and helped us to achieve new levels of strength and endurance.
So the course is structured into two components: the theory aspect and the practical aspect. So now, what the theory aspect composes of is some basic biology, some physics, as well as some ethics and psychology. So this is not only theory; it focuses a lot on the practical applications of what you would learn in a normal subject like biology or physics. So, for example, in physics, it talks about mechanics and forces and how this can be applied in sporting situations.
For me, the humanities really stood out in this regard, and the one subject that really changed my way of looking at education and looking at what I want to do with my future was IGCSE drama. I had the opportunity of taking it as my group 5 subject, and it has shaped me in unimaginable ways. And one of the biggest outcomes of it is I now want to do film and theatre in the future. The thing is, it's a very holistic program. It's divided into two big parts of performance and then theory. Within the performance itself, we have multiple parts. So we start off with repertoire, which is where we're given a script and we are made to perform our own rendition of it. We have devised, where we create our own play based off a stimulus that's been given to us. And the last is monologues, where we perform on our own. We learn a 5-minute monologue and perform it. Through the IGCSE drama performance experience, I have learned so much about myself as a performer, but not only just as a performer, as an individual in society. It allowed me to examine pieces of literature and people in history at different points in time. It allowed me to understand people and reactions and expressions as we know them today. And more than that, it allowed me to engage with other people, collaborate with other people, and read some beautiful pieces of artistic expression.
Learning IGCSE business has been enthralling. As a course, it is the closest to a real life scenario you could hope for. And the case studies we learned were of brands we were so familiar with, Apple, Amazon, Tesla. And I felt I could effectively apply what I had learned to real life scenarios. Our rubric based assessment was actually us pitching a product that we made, and I found that really cool. We studied business from scratch, right from the workings of a business like merger, acquisition or joint venture to our worldwide implications of globalization, multinational corporations, and currency exchange. But one thing that really struck me when we were doing this course was how prevalent and pertinent whatever we learned was.
Hi everyone, my name is Arav Dalwani and I will be briefly talking to you about my experience with IGCSE Computer Science at DALS. So overall the course is very well planned and detail oriented, with most of the content relating to fundamental computing concepts, their mechanisms and their applications in real world situations. More than that, this is one subject where you don't spend most of your time studying from the textbook, but in engaging with practical work such as programming assignments and presentations on different topics.
Hi, I'm Jaya Agarwal, and as a part of the 11 subjects I took in the IGCSE curriculum, I chose to take the Art and Design course. It has been one of the best decisions I made academically. IG Art was the subject completely different from the rest of my other subjects. It was in a way a break from studying and revision and notes and tests. I could paint and sketch and imagine up entire canvases if I so chose. Art gave me the opportunity to explore creativity and experiment in ways that I had not done before. I researched and emulated the prodigious artists of the Renaissance, from Leonardo da Vinci to Rembrandt. I explored themes of beauty and the portrayal of women across the centuries. IGCSE Art gave me the ability to view the world not just from a critical learner's perspective, but with the wide-eyed wonder and enthusiasm of an artist. Through it, I acquired not only a wealth of technical skills, but an appreciation for design thinking as well as a deeper base in art history.
Hi, my name is Dev Mehta and I just completed the IGCSE program. I think the main benefit of the IGCSE curriculum is its ability to prepare you for further education in the IB and university and of course real life. The curriculum is designed to teach you valuable skills such as inquisitiveness, open-mindedness, communication and collaboration, while covering the content of the subjects you've chosen. The approach to teaching is also very different compared to other boards, wherein IGCSE uses a variety of teaching techniques to help you understand the content better. Since intuitiveness is a core part of the curriculum, students are encouraged to research problems and facts on their own and share their findings with their peers. Through the multiple research projects that they take part in, students are directed to use their previous knowledge along with a range of online resources to take their learning forward. These are often done through presentations and written assignments that help students improve their public speaking and help them learn how to convey a point in the best manner, respectively. Many teachers incorporate group discussions into their classes. For example, in world literature, you aren't just given the poem and its analysis and expected to mug it up. Instead, you're taught how to form your own analysis, which students later share with the class. In this way, the IGCSE curriculum accomplishes two things. Firstly, this method of teaching develops your critical thinking skills, because whether you're writing an English analysis or deriving a math formula, you're applying what you know to come up with and discover something new. And secondly, it builds a social connection between you and your classmates that will help you collaborate with each other on new things. Overall, the IGCSE curriculum is a great education system that teaches various life skills. I feel that it's made my transition to the IB curriculum much smoother as it imbibed the traits of an IB learner in me from grade 8.
I think over the last 3 years, my personality has changed completely. And that is because of the opportunities I have gotten through my MUN round square and debate competitions. For MUN, I have been able to travel the world and learn about different cultures, different communities, different languages, and different histories. It's made me a more international student and a more global citizen. Through my RS conferences, I recently went to Ireland, Belfast for a Round Square Global Conference and even to Indore for the Round Square International Conference 2019. Through these two conferences, I was able to learn so much with one-on-one contact with students from across the world, be it Antarctica all the way up to Canada. I think each student comes with a different story, a different experience, a different lifestyle, a different set of parents, and a different language. And I think that's the beauty of it. I was able to learn so much through these different perspectives. And I think this is something that I'm going to carry on for the rest of my life. My ski camps to Verbier have really tested my second language skills, much like Rayman and Rome, where I use Spanish to communicate with the grandparents and parents of my host. Italian and Spanish, while might be different, is actually pretty similar, and I learned that through my MUN trips. I think all in all, it's been a fantastic 3 years for me, and it's changed me as a person. I urge every student doing the IGCSE syllabus to make the most of it. Put yourself out there, go for every MUN and Round Square trip, much like me. It will truly shape you as a more independent and more international student.